बड़ा संघर्ष है जीवन में। तो इसे जब तक जीवन है तब तक संघर्ष है। I used to tell him, that life is a struggle. And he used to say, so long as there is life, there is going to be struggle. I think if we accept this factor, your life is never going to be easy. Something or the other is going to happen. So rather than sit in some kind of despondency on that, be aware that tomorrow is another challenge, is another day which could turn out to be profitable, which may not, but eventually there will be another day when you can start trying all over again. I look for challenges even today, and even as I sit here, I hope that tomorrow, as I start a new film, I will be able to look at it as a challenge. I keep quoting my father all the time, and I'm sure I've done this millions of times. Man ka ho to acha, na ho to zyada acha. If things happen according to how you wish, that's good. But if they don't, it's even better. And I could never understand that. And when I asked him, he said, if they're not happening according to your wish, they're happening according to the wish of some divine force. And that divine force will never think ill about you. So you have to respect that as being better. So if things worked, I said fine. If they didn't, I felt that there was some kind of divine force or divinity that didn't want me to do that. Perhaps wait for another opportunity.
कि लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में सांस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना करता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं।